The OnePlus 150R has officially been announced, and it's set to launch in India on December 17, right alongside the OnePlus Pad Go 2. Even though OnePlus hasn't revealed everything about the device, the information we already have gives us a clear picture of where it stands next to the OnePlus 15. And the big question for many people right now is simply, should you buy the OnePlus 15 today, or wait for the more affordable OnePlus 50R? Let's break down the most important differences so you can decide what makes the most sense for your budget and your needs. First, the performance. The OnePlus 15 comes with Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. This is currently the fastest processor Qualcomm offers for smartphones, aimed at users who want the very best speed, long-term performance, and gaming capability. The OnePlus 150R, on the other hand, will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip. It's still a flagship-level processor, but not quite as powerful as the Elite version. For most people, the difference might not even be noticeable in everyday use. Apps will still launch quickly, games will still run smoothly, and multitasking should be fluid. But if you're someone who pushes your phone to its limits, heavy gaming, editing, or keeping dozens of apps running, the OnePlus 15 will have the advantage. Battery life is another area where the OnePlus 50R may actually come out on top. OnePlus has confirmed that the device will feature a massive 400 mAh battery. That's significantly bigger than what the OnePlus 15 offers. With a battery this large, the 50R is likely aimed at people who want long-lasting power without worrying about carrying a charger everywhere. And the phone is also expected to support 80W fast charging, which means you can top it up quickly even with that huge battery. There's also talk that the 50R could be a rebranded version of the OnePlus A60, which launched earlier in China. If that's true, then the 50R is likely to offer strong performance and reliable hardware. On top of that, OnePlus has confirmed the phone will include a 165Hz display, something you don't see often at this price point. And what's even more impressive is that the device will have Quad IP ratings IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K. This means protection against dust, water, high pressure, and even high-temperature water blasts. It's extremely rare to see so many durability ratings on a mid-range flagship. When it comes to cameras, the differences between the phones are much clearer. The OnePlus 15 has a triple camera setup powered by the new Detail Max engine. It includes a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. If you care about versatile photography, zoom shots, wide landscapes, and detailed night photos, the OnePlus 15 will give you more options. The OnePlus 150R, based on the current renders and information, will have a dual camera setup. It's expected to include a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. It should also support 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, which is very impressive. And even though it doesn't get the triple camera system, the 15R will still feature the new Detail Max engine, replacing the older Hasselblad processing. So while it won't match the OnePlus 15 in versatility, the image quality should still be solid for its price. Design is another interesting point. The 50R is said to be a major step forward compared to last year's OnePlus 30R. In fact, the design language is expected to be very close to the OnePlus 15. The official renders on the website show a beautiful green color, very similar to the flagship model. For many buyers, this means you're getting a premium-looking device without paying the premium price. And speaking of price, that's where the OnePlus 150R could become a very appealing option. Reports suggest it may launch around $45,000 in India. Compare that to the OnePlus 15, which costs were $72,999, and the difference is huge. If the final price stays close to this estimate, the 150R could offer incredible value. So is it worth waiting? If you want the very best performance and camera system, the OnePlus 15 still stands above. But if you want a powerful phone with great battery life, a super smooth display, strong durability, and a much lower price, the OnePlus 150R might be the smarter choice.